Hey there, beautiful souls! Are you tired of dealing with flimsy bobby pins that just can't hold up your fabulous hairstyles? Well, worry no more because today, I'm here to introduce you to the top 5 plastic bobby pins that will revolutionize your hair game. Say goodbye to hair disasters and hello to flawless locks with these game-changing accessories. At number 1 position, we have Annie Plastic Clips. Meet the Annie Plastic Clips, your new best friend for securing those intricate hairstyles effortlessly. Crafted with high-quality plastic, these clips are designed to hold your hair in place with ease and comfort. Key features: sturdy plastic construction for durability, textured surface for enhanced grip, available in various colors to match your style. Benefits and usage: these clips are perfect for securing both thick and thin hair types, making them incredibly versatile. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or an elegant updo, the Annie Plastic Clips will keep your hair in place all day long. Usability: the lightweight design of these clips ensures that you can wear them for hours without any discomfort. Plus, their compact size makes them easy to carry in your purse or pocket for on-the-go touch-ups. Durability: say goodbye to broken or bent bobby pins. The Annie Plastic Clips are built to last, so you can rely on them to keep your hair looking flawless day after day. Moving on to the next at number 2 with SMLJLQ Plastic Bobby Pin. Introducing the SMLJLQ Plastic Bobby Pin, the ultimate solution for securing your hair with precision and style. Made from premium plastic materials, these bobby pins are designed to withstand daily wear and tear while keeping your hair in place effortlessly. Key features: sleek and streamlined design for a polished look, smooth surface to prevent snagging or pulling, available in a variety of sizes for customized styling. Benefits and usage: say goodbye to slipping bobby pins. The SMLJLQ Plastic Bobby Pin features a secure grip that holds your hair in place without budging. Whether you're creating intricate braids or simple twists, these bobby pins will keep your hair looking flawless all day long. Usability: these bobby pins are incredibly easy to use, making them perfect for beginners and pros alike. Simply slide them into your hair and twist for a secure hold that lasts. Durability: don't let their lightweight design fool you. The SMLJLQ plastic bobby pins are built to last. You can rely on them to keep your hair in place through any adventure. The number 3 position is held by Taz G Plastic Hair Bobby Pin. Get ready to elevate your hair game with the Taz JG Plastic Hair Bobby Pin. Designed for maximum hold and comfort, these bobby pins are a must-have accessory for any hair enthusiast. Key features: ergonomic design for effortless styling, matte finish for a sleek and polished look, designed to minimize breakage and damage to your hair. Benefits and usage: whether you're rocking a casual hairstyle or a red carpet look, the Taz SJGG Plastic Hair Bobby Pin has got you covered. These bobby pins provide a secure hold that won't weigh down your locks, allowing you to express your unique style with confidence. Usability: with their easy-to-use design, these bobby pins are perfect for everyday styling. Simply twist them into place and enjoy long-lasting hold without any fuss or hassle. Durability: say goodbye to flimsy bobby pins that bend out of shape after a single use. The Taz GG Plastic Hair Bobby Pin is built to withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring that your hairstyles stay flawless all day long. Next at number 4, we have N-Looks Plastic Hair Bobby Pin. Say hello to the N-Looks Plastic Hair Bobby Pin, your secret weapon for achieving picture-perfect hair every time. Crafted with precision and care, these bobby pins are designed to meet the demands of even the most discerning hair enthusiasts. Key features: ultra-slim design for seamless styling, reinforced construction for maximum durability, designed to hold even the thickest hair types in place. Benefits and usage: whether you're creating intricate updos or simple half-up hairstyles, the N-Looks Plastic Hair Bobby Pin provides the perfect finishing touch. These bobby pins offer a secure hold that won't slip or slide, allowing you to rock your favorite looks with confidence. Usability: thanks to their lightweight design, these bobby pins are incredibly easy to use. Simply slide them into place and let them work their magic. No complicated styling techniques required. Durability: don't settle for flimsy bobby pins that break or bend at the slightest touch. The N-Looks Plastic Hair Bobby pin is built to last, so you can trust them to keep your hair looking flawless day after day. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Ruluti plastic hairpins. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Ruluti plastic hairpins, the ultimate accessory for adding a touch of glamour to your everyday hairstyles. Crafted with care and precision, these hairpins are designed to elevate your look with ease. Key features: sparkling rhinestone accents for added glamour, durable plastic construction for long-lasting wear, designed to hold even the most intricate hairstyles in place. Benefits and usage. Whether you're heading to a special event or just want to add some sparkle to your everyday look, the Ruluti plastic hairpins are the perfect choice. These hairpins offer a secure hold that won't weigh down your locks, allowing you to showcase your unique style with confidence. Usability. With their easy-to-use design, these hairpins are perfect for both beginners and pros. Simply slide them into place and let them work their magic. No complicated styling techniques required. Durability. Don't let their delicate appearance fool you. The Ruluti plastic hairpins are built to last. You can rely on them to keep your hair looking flawless through any occasion. The top 5 plastic bobby pins that are guaranteed to take your hair game to the next level. Say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to flawless locks with these game-changing accessories. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous!